हाफ एन आवर के अंदर में तो आना चाहिए. Program is going to start now. They have to be very careful with timing because unless we miss that timing, that means it will be difficult for us to fit them later on. Later on, it means the president is going back. Please let them come soon. Can you talk about Amanda? When you talk about Mama, Chief guest का पास का बनेगा चाक चाबी की काम मोबाइल से है ना नो जाओ नो नहीं वो चाक चाबा वो सेम से है तो याद हो रहा है ना ये सुना है तो कभी वो क्या टिकट का है लिखा की कादू तो वो मी माँ चाक चाबी वाली था मैं अमर के चाबी मोटा क्या कर रहा हूँ याद हो रहा है Sabado, may amag ito, we muta, di kadro mo special in the past governors in the governor, Samin of Yabra. Horo, we can always have it easy.
Felicite seguido, faccio il bureau, gli studi a poche.
Check again. Now the time is 10:25. We will exactly start the session by 10:30. As per the committee, headed by the chairman, Lion M. Gojendra Singh, we will try to cover up the every minutes program perfectly by time. So I request all the delegates present around the center, come inside, take your seat, so that we can start the sessions right on time. Once set amta preview was the walkie set amta.
Now, inaugural session.
Prem ako'y taro.
At the beginning of this event, we will start the rituals.
So you are delaying by 2-3 minutes. Very minute by minute program. 10:30 hours.
Kanana ko tutoy sa. Koktora to. May bung. To start our iCON 2025 46th Annual District Conference, for the inaugural, I request Narendra and Samananda for the Moibung play.
And before the start of the sessions, I request all the delegates present inside the hall to please kindly put your mobile in the silent mode. Thank you.
Thank you. For the opening song, we have lyrics by Narendra Ningomba, composed by the legend Ilangbam Netrajit, supported by our very own lion Sital Laitanthim. Music is by Sargam and Ruprag. Now may I request all the lady lions and gen lions under the leadership, chairmanship of Sanaton Bilorembam, PMJF, and Sitol Laitanthim, MJF. Please welcome.
was so melodious and that was awesome. Thank you so much, Lions of Manipur, for the contribution. A big round of applause for all the singers.
The opening song presented by the Lions of Manipur. The song is newly composed by the Guru Elambun Netrajit, supported by Lions Hitole Tanthem. The song was given in lyrics by Narendra Ningombam. Thank you to the team of the Culture Committee for their wonderful presentations to this auspicious gathering. Thank you.
Now we will move forward and form our days. So for that, first of all, I would like to invite the presiding officer, our district governor, Lion T.H. Keso Singh ji, on the days.
Thank you, sir. May I request our conference chairperson, Lion M. Gajendra Singh.
Now I request the host president, Lion O. Dhanabir Singh ji. Lion O. Dhanabir Singh ji to the dais.
Our cabinet treasurer, Lion Y. Ranjit Singh, please welcome.
Now I request our cabinet secretary, Lion KSH Ibotombi Singh ji.
Please be on the dais. Advisor 2, Lion Lalita R. Kadria.
Now I request our honorary committee chairman, Lion Dr. Animesh Barwaji on the dais.
Please welcome Vice District Governor 2, Lion Dr. Neena Dattaji.
Now I request our Vice District Governor 1, Lion Lalit Kumar Kothari ji.
Please welcome our immediate past District Governor, Lion Dr. Santanu Lakar.
Now it's time to welcome our chief guest, Lion Raju B. Manwani ji. So I request everyone to please raise from your seats and give a big round of applause.
Please give one another big round of applause for the chief guest of today's function.
Let them finish. Little behind schedule. Supposed to 2 copies. Of the dice. May I request our Lions to felicitate the dignitaries of the dice.
Only past governors, huh?
Because we don't know who will probably the Thank you. Now may I request the presiding officer, Lion T.H. Keso Singh, District Governor of District 322D, to please call the meeting to order.
I, Lion T.S. Keso Singh, District Governor, Lion District 322D, call the 46th Annual District Conference to order.
Now we will have our rituals. For that, I invite Lion Lakshmi Roy ji for flag salutation.
Good morning, Presiding Officer. Good morning, Lions. I am Lion Lakshmi Roy, Editor, Eastern Lion. Please raise your right hand and please focus your eyes on the national flag. We salute our national flag and pledge our allegiance to the same. Its honor and its glory depend upon the zeal and assiduity with which each one of us shoulder our responsibilities of a good citizen. Its glorious history, written in letters of gold, inspires us to put in good work for the fair name of our country. We declare our unflinching loyalty to our national flag and maintain that its course shall be our course, and that each individual amongst us will make genuine efforts to add to its luster and glory and make it fly proudly aloft in the community of nations. Thank you. You may be seated. Jai Hind.
For the invocation, I request Lion Diana Thokchong.
Do not repeat after me. Let there be harmony in your thoughts. Let there be harmony in your gatherings. Let there be harmony in your brains and minds. Let there be harmony in your mutual help. Be you all mutually cooperative in service. Thank you.
Now I request Lion K. Premila Devi for peace prayer.
Good morning, everyone. I'm K. Premila Devi, President of Lions Club of Imphal, Janura. Now, let us observe 1 minute silence, followed by the peace prayer. May the lane of light shine peace. May the endless space shower peace. May the heart of earth dawn peace. May the flow of waters ripple peace. May the medicinal herbs give peace. May the vegetation grow, grant peace. May the learned noble spread peace. May the divine spirits foster peace. May the world be a shelter of peace. May the peace be harbinger of peace. May the true peace fill our lives and let it deliver our lane of stripes. Thank you. Please be seated.
May I request Lion Ashok to present? Okay. May I request Lion Ashok to assist our DG in presenting a bouquet to our chief guest? Thank you. Our chief guest and our president, along with all the dignitaries on the dais, may I request for the lighting of the ceremonial lamp.
Now I request Lion M. Gajendra Singh for welcome address, the conference chairperson.
Good morning, Lions. Good morning. Presiding Officer, District Governor T.S. Keshav Singh, our respected chief guests of this conference, past international director, and my dear friends. The district conference have come back to this venue for the third time, and lions from different parts of the northeast, including lions from this area, have joined hands together to welcome all the dignitaries and delegates who have come down here to take part in this celebration. Friends, as you know, Manipur is a very small state, and you might have heard about the problems, problems you have so far come true. But in spite of that, we Lions are united, and we have come together here to have this conference. And in this conference, we will be discussing many issues, and we will be deliberating on all the important things, goal sets by the governor and everything. And till the end of the Lionistic year, we will be working hard to implement all the goal sets by the district governor. At the same time, this is a moment where tomorrow the leaders going to be will be elected. For this, the introduction of the leaders going to be the first vice governor, who is going to be elected as governor tomorrow, and the first governor that will be promoted from vice governor 2, and a new vice governor 2 will be elected tomorrow. Those lion leaders will be introduced to you in the later part of the evening. Friends, as you know that Manipur is a very scenic place, and don't miss any opportunity to go beyond this conference hall and go to important places, religious places, where you can have a look and have a very memorable visit to this area. Particularly, I once again welcome all the Lion members who have come from different parts of Assam and Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. So we'll be going ahead in this inaugural session. We'll be honoring a number of MJF who have contributed their met to become MJF by contributing $1,000, and even PMJF by another $1,000. At the same time, we'll have the Karma Yogi Award winner to be decorated. Then at the same time, we also have other awards received from the Lions who have dedicated their service during this Lionistic year. And I think we will be having a very good opportunity to hear from the past international director, chief guest of today's function also. And he will be formally introduced by someone, and you will be listening how important this chief guest is today. At the same time, this is the second time that he has visited Manipur and taking part in the district conference. With these few words, once again, I welcome all of you and appeal to all of you to enjoy this celebration. Thank you.
Thank you. That was the past district governor, Lion M. Gajendra Singh, and also the conference chairperson. We are very thankful to the conference chairperson for giving out his hard time in making this event a wonderful memories for all of us. Thank you once again. Now moving ahead, May I now call and request our District Governor, Lion T.S. Keso Singh, to give an opening remark. Please, sir.
Thank you, Master of Ceremony, Lion Ashok Konjengbang. Once again, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Most respected chief guest, Lion Raju V. Manwani, past international director. Honored galaxy of past district governors, dignitaries on and off the dais, esteemed lions, honored guests, invitees, ladies and gentlemen, and if any from electronic and print media. It is both a privilege and pleasure to welcome you all to the 46th Annual District Conference of our Lions Clubs. Today we gather as a community dedicated to service, compassion, and making a positive impact in the world around us. As your district governor, I am filled with pride as I look out at this gathering of passionate individuals, all united under our shared mission. We come from diverse backgrounds, but we are bound together by a common purpose to serve our communities and to support those in need. This year's theme, Mark Your Mark, of our International President, Fabricio Oliveira, and our district team, We Serve with Compassion, beautifully encapsulates our collective spirit and commitment to service. I would like to take a moment to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest and main speaker, Lion Raju V. Manwani, past interesting director. Sir, we are deeply honored to have you with us today. Your leadership and dedication have inspired countless lions around the globe. We eagerly await your insights and vision during this conference. I also want to acknowledge our past district governors and other distinguished leaders present here today. Your contribution have shaped our district and continue to inspire us all. Thank you for your unwavering commitment to the Lions mission. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to every member of our Lions family. It is your unwavering commitment, passion, and dedication that we have propelled us forward and created a positive impact in our communities. Together, we have embarked on a path of service that not only uplifts around us, but also strengthens the fabric of our district. This year, we have witnessed extraordinary momentum in our initiatives. And I am proud to announce that our district has been recognized with the Midterm Hero Award from the Lions Clubs International. And also the Shining Star from the Lions Council of India for successfully implementing Lions Quest program during the Lions Quest Week. These accolades not only just honors, they are a testament to the hard work and relentless spirit of each lion in our district. Every project, every hour spent in service, every act of kindness has contributed to this remarkable recognition. As I stand before you, I am filled with gratitude and pride for the remarkable achievements we have accomplished together. The spirit of collaboration and dedication that each of you has demonstrated is nothing short of inspiring. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all for your unwavering support in the successful implementation of our flood relief efforts in Assam. Your tireless commitment in providing aid and assistance during such a critical time has made a profound difference in the lives of countless individuals and families. Together, we have stood as a beacon of hope in the face of adversity. Moreover, I want to acknowledge the tremendous progress we have made in empowering our women through our dedicated initiatives. By providing resources, training, and opportunities, we are not only uplifting individual lives, but also strengthening our communities as a whole. This is a testament to our belief that women thrive, society flourishes. I also want to highlight our corporate social responsibility project, where we proudly handed over an ambulance to the Ramakrishna Mission Hospital, Itanagar. This initiative exemplifies our commitment to the improving healthcare access in our region. And it will not have been possible without your generous contribution and steadfast support. Additionally, our various local community projects have shown the true essence of Lions service, whether in supporting education, enhancing local healthcare facilities, and protecting the environment. Your dedication to service those in it has left an indelible mark in our communities and beyond. As we look forward this future, I'm excited that the opportunities of growth within our district and Alliance International, the extension of new clubs and the development of new leadership programs are essential steps in expanding our reach and amplifying our impact. Your enthusiasm and commitment to mentoring future leaders ensure that our mission continue to thrive and evolve. Together, we are not just making a difference locally, but we are also contributing to a global cause. Our collective efforts resonate far beyond our immediate community, echoing the values of compassion and service that define us as a Lion. But while we celebrate our achievement, it is also remembered that our journey is far from over. As we approach to the end of this fiscal year, I urge each of you to finish strong. We have set ambitious goals, and I know that together we can achieve them. Let us harness the momentum we have built, rally our team, and engage with communities to ensure that we leave a lasting legacy of service and compassion. Today, I encourage each of you to engage fully in the discussions and programs that lie ahead. Share your ideas, learn from one another, and let us strengthen the bond and unite us. Remember, every voice matters, and every idea has the potential to spark changes. As we move forward, let us keep in mind the words of Helen Keller, who once said, "Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much." In this spirit, let us embrace the power of collaboration and unity. For it is through our collective efforts that we can truly make a difference in the lives of others. In a short while, we'll have the privilege of hearing from our esteemed chief guests, who will share their insight and inspire us further. Following this, we'll recognize our high performers, those individuals whose hard work and dedication have set exemplary standards for us all. And many more interesting programs are coming up, such as presentation of Karma Yogi Awards and presentation of appreciation certificates and DG appreciation medals and leadership and presidential medals. And first plenary session will start at 2 p.m., which will include administering conference place, rededication place, reports from committee chairpersons, and annual reports from cabinet secretary and cabinet treasurer, which will be followed by opening session where presentation of candidates of district governor, vice governor, and second vice district governor, and nomination speeches will be delivered. As we introduce our candidates, let us listen attentively to their speeches. Each candidate has a vision for our organization. And it is important for us to consider their ideas and aspirations as we prepare to cast our votes. As we move through our agenda, I want to take a moment to highlight the importance of each segments of today's program. The evaluation of our region chairperson, joint chairperson, and PhD will start at 3:30 p.m. today. The public speaking context, which is a fantastic platform for our members to showcase their talents, and will be held at mini conference hall at 4 p.m. Those who are willing to participate in public speaking contest may submit their names at the registration counter. A necrology program honoring the members who have lost by sharing facts about them will start at 5 p.m. in the main hall. An issue of credential will start at 5:30. Please don't miss cultural program, which will be started at 6 p.m. and it will be followed by dinner at 7:30. And as we look ahead to the parade of Lion delegates on 9 March, let us embrace the energy and the excitement that this event brings. It sets the stage for a significant moment in our journey together. We assemble at 7:30 for the parade at Kangla Fort, and the parade was supposed to be flagged off by our respected chief guests, but because of certain unavoidable circumstances, our chief guest will be leaving this evening after lunch. Respected Alliance, our breakfast will be, on the second day, our breakfast will be followed after the parade, and then our banners presentation will start from 11 a.m. and voting will start from 11:30 a.m. on the ground floor of the exhibition hall. We have lunch break at 1:30. Concluding session starts at 3:30 p.m., which includes announcement of results of photo exhibition, PSC, JCRC, evaluation, parade banner presentation, etc. Distribution of iCON 2025 Appreciation Awards, Election Committee Chairperson Report, Declaration of Election Result by District Governor, and welcoming the District Governor-elect, first Vice Governor-elect, second Vice Governor-elect, and address by the newly elected leaders, and announcement of core committee for the dynastic year by the District Governor-elect, and fixation of date and venue of 47th Annual District Conference, and concluding remarks by the District Governor. I encourage each of you, make the most of this gathering, participate, engage, and enjoy every moment. Together, we can continue to build a thriving organization that reflects our shared values and aspirations. Thank you, everybody, for your patient hearing.
Thank you. District Governor, sir, that was phenomenal. The members were satisfied from the start to finish. The presentations was highly interesting and informative and thought-provoking. We are happy and glad that we have a resourceful and a committed District Governor. Thank you for making this happen. Thank you, sir. Now moving ahead, we are now called Lion T.H. Mohendra Pratap Singh to do the honor in introducing the chief guest of today's event. Lion T.H. Mohendra Pratap Singh.
Presiding Officer, District Governor, Lion T.H. Kesose, Chief Guest of today's function, First International Director, Lion Raju V. Manwani, Conference Chairperson, Lion M. Gojendra Singh, esteemed past district governors, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, fellow Lions, members of the press, guests, a very good morning, namaste and kurumjari to all of you. It is an honor and privilege for me to introduce someone truly inspiring, a person known for his exceptional humanitarian work both here and abroad. Our chief guest today hails from Mumbai. He served as a director of Lions Clubs International for 2 years. After being elected at the 96th International Convention in Hamburg, in Germany in 2013. He is a respected businessman and a member of the Mumbai Soul Lions Club since 1983. Throughout his career, he has taken on several key roles within Lions International, including president, membership chairperson, district governor, and council chairperson. He has been recognized for his dedication with many awards, including the 100% Attendance Award, Leadership Award, the Supreme Key Award, and 18 International President's Certificates of Appreciation. He is also a progressive Melvin John Fellow. Besides his work with Lions, he is involved in many professional and community organizations, such as the Taekwondo Association of Maharashtra, Jai Sri Ram Sham Chudiram Trust, All India Crime Prevention Council, and the Goregaon Sports Club. His family, his wife, and 2 daughters are also Lions and Melvin Jones Fellow. The esteemed person I'm referring to now is none other than our esteemed chief guest of today's function, Lion Raju V. Manwani. We in Lions District 322 are grateful for his presence today. Despite his busy schedule, his visit motivates all of us to continue our hard work to help those in need. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please join me in welcoming our esteemed chief guest, Lion Raju B. Manwani. Sir, please.
I request Lion L. Upendra Sharma to carry Koet, the Manipuri turban to DG, and then present to chief guest.
I will take it.
District Governor may kindly present the Koet to our chief guest. Sir, the Koet is a traditional Meitei men's headdress. It is made in 12 distinct designs. It is used in different Meitei cultural ceremonies, the festival occasions. It is derived from the 2 horns of the Asian Meitei deity Pakhangba. It is also the second protective symbolic representation of Sidabu Pakhangba of the traditional Meitei religion. And very interestingly, sir, since year 2023, the Koet is used as a uniform item for the Marshal of the Indian Parliament, both in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, as chosen by the Union Government of India. Thank you, sir.
District Governor, White District Governors, Part District Governors, dignitaries on and off the dais, and the beautiful lions and lion ladies of the Imphal, Manipur, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh. Very good morning to each and every one of you. This is my second visit to Imphal. When Gajendra Singh ji was a district governor, and today he is a chairperson of this convention. I wish that every year he should be there, something, chairman or something, so he can keep calling me over here. This is a great honor for me, coming second time to Imphal in front of you, my dear friends. What a great honor, what a great discipline and time management what I have seen. The all respected singer, the way they came in, they stood, they sang, they went very nicely with the discipline. And the people says the small things create a discipline and perfectness. And the perfectness is not a small thing. इन्हीं छोटी बातों से ही perfection आता है. You want me to speak to you in English, Hindi or Manipuri? Friends, tell me like basically who's the biggest animal in jungle, in forest? Can somebody tell me? Who's the biggest animal in forest? Sorry, elephant, yeah, you're right. And who's the tallest one? Who's the fastest one? But who's the king of the forest? So you all are the lions. So finally you are the king of the service and fellowship, and that's the reason we are here, my dear friends. The Lions Club International. Only 5 executive officers and 34 directors control the 210 countries. As you know that, our international president, first, second and third international vice president, immediate past president who will become a LCF chairperson, and to assist them 34 directors, and our now 8 constitutional areas, they are taking care of it. We comes under the ISAMI, India, Southeast Asia, now Africa is separated, and the Middle East. And out of that, we have now 11 multiples in our India, who controls the completely all over the India, our 28 states and United Territories. Under the multiple council chairperson, there is a district governor who is sitting over here today and presiding over this meeting. With the left and right, his first and second vice governor, cabinet, micro, RC, CHETC, and the club members and club officers. We are just coming here for 1 or 2 years to assist you, guide you, to serve you, and to sit again like all the respected district governors sitting in the first row. Seeing MP Agrawal sir from last so many years like sitting in the first row after becoming a governor, wishing Lalitji and requesting you all, as you know that this is the unanimous selection of your second vice governor and the first vice governor and second vice governor. My humble request, all of you tomorrow, as I am not here, or maybe today I think so, the election and voting, please give 100% affirmative vote to the first, second and the incoming governor. It will be my request to you all. So this will create a very positive vibration in your district. My dear friends, Lions Club International, such an organization, as you know that from last 2005 onwards, is standing number 1 in the world out of 79 organizations. It is a Jaycees, or it's a Rotaries, or it's a Lions, but the Lions we are standing number 1. Wearing this pin, very proud pin, we are the brand ambassador of the Lions Club International. Why we are gathering over here? Because of this conference. What this district conference is? The international convention by executive officers and board of directors and all over the world members they attend. And then the ISAMI forum. All ISAMI countries attend that forum, conferences. Then we have a multiple conventions at the multiple level. Then we are having the district conventions like this today what you are holding. Then the region conferences. Then we have a zone socials. Then we have a club meetings. We have a district conferences like this. So what my humble request today, you all of you kindly pay the full attention to this district action, resolutions, what meeting is happening, how the voting is happening, why we have been elected and selected as the leaders and coming over here. Leaders to lead in a positive way, with humbleness, with kindness, and carry the aim and objectives of the Lions Club International President, our international directors, as well as our district governor, what he has representing the Lions Club International. What you can do 100% if your 100% dedication is there towards the Lionism. Even last, I remember that I have conveyed to you that only the one thing God has given equally to us is time. 24 hours. To you also, to us also, to Mr. Modi also, and even to Ambani and Adani also. Only thing is which way, how we utilize this time management makes a difference to us, that we become from Chaiwala to Prime Minister, or from Hamal to Ambani, or like from small businessmen to Andhari. Today, if we are sitting on this dais, is elected and selected by you. We should never forget that being a leader, we should think that we are a bosses of yours. No. We are servant of yours to assist you, guide you, and see the Lionism's aim and objective, how to follow it with the protocol, with the discipline, with the time management. And that's the reason we are here, my dear friends. After 1 year, again, we are going to be there. And this is the only year or 2 years what we are having to prove ourselves without any ego, without any jealousy, without any negative thoughts, if we have to create a better world that we Lions are over here like that. We are not tall, we are not big, we are not fastest, but still we are the king. And after wearing this pin, we have a responsibility towards our samaj, our community, that what exactly they are expecting from us. My dear friends, we are everyday's hero. We, you. Why everyday's heroes? Because the 24/7/365 all over the world, you see wherever the day, night, evening, afternoon, Lions keep working. They keep doing a lot of service projects and all. Sometimes blood donation, sometimes medical camps, sometimes what it is, you know what kind of the service projects you people are doing it. People are looking to you very positively that this man is here with the Lion's pin, means like something is going to happen good with me. That kind of the thoughts people are having about you. So being a hero, you have to put 100% of yours. You are standing on the top of the hill from where, like when we are shouting, the voice come back to us as an echo. If you are saying, I love you, will come back to you, I love you. I hate you, I will come back to you, I hate you. Understand, wherever you are, if you are talking about somebody negative things, will come back to you. If you are talking something good, that will also come back to you. The difference, if something good you are talking, and he's hearing, coming back to you, he'll be the best friend of yours. Your left and right hand of yours. But if you're talking something criticizing or something negative about him, will also come back to you, but that man will never come back to you. The choice is ours. What we would like to be a positive, supportive, giving full support to our leaders, who's carrying each and every line of you with each other. Desire and need is a two different words, but basically what is a desire and what is a need, that we have to justify ourselves. What exactly we think about it. And we have to be emotional towards the all. Not only our family, not only our kids or grandchildren. We have to be emotionally towards everyone who really need us. Believe me, my dear friends, I belongs to the Lions Club of Mumbai Soul, the one of the club where strictly the discipline and time management we follow like army. Not a single minute starting the late meeting or closing the late meeting. Even the president is closing the meeting after 10 minutes, asking the permission from the house, still he has to pay the penalty. So this Lions Club Mumbai Soul, Agrawal Sahib, we, Maafi Chaunga, they are the very good Master of Ceremonies and Dias, but in our Lions Club Mumbai Soul, or as a district governor, as myself, when I was the district governor, or the council chairperson, or I was the international director, we never used to go for the Dias. We never used to put the Dias. No fool, malai, gift, memento. No introductions. Auto mode. We come on the podium. One by one, we speak out. And we try to save that time and energy about those members who are coming on the time and wanted to go on the time with their family and kids. If they are not getting on the proper time, their food, or getting late, I am also talking the same. Governors are also talking the same. Party governors are also talking the same. Next time, maybe they will not be there with you. We are talking about 1.5 mission from years and years and years. From 83, I am a Lion member. And believe me, from 1983 onwards till now, rarely I have seen crossing 1.5 mission. If you are adding the 20,000 members, the 24,000 members are dropping. Retention is in our hand. Short, sweet, crispy meetings with a proper venue, menu, food, speakers makes a lot of difference. As I said, these small things makes a lot of difference in perfection. And believe me, my dear friend, the perfection is not a small thing, and that we have to decide. We have to start our thing. We cannot change the nature of our mother, wife, children. If you are going to change it, you will get a diabetes and blood pressure. Better to change ourselves and see that you will be very happy, and even they will be very happy. Everything we have to start from us. We always not expect from others only, but if he is going to do this, then only I am going to do it. No. First bend yourself. Be a grassroots lion. Be a humble. Be a kind. Be a polite. And once you are there in the Lions Club member, always you have to give, and give. That I was talking to 24 hours, my dear friends. Yes, we need 8 hours to have a proper sleep to energize ourselves. 8 hours we have to work for the business, to take care of our families and ourselves. 4 hours you have to give it to your family, wife. 2 hours you needed to get fresh yourself with your friends, when you will keep talking about your childhood things and school and college things. 1 hour is your personal, whatever you want to do it, don't tell us, but the 1 hour, this community, once you are committing and taking the oath and coming as an officer and becoming a member of the Lions Club of International, you have to be dedicated on your mobile or laptop or iPad or personal visit to this community of this Samaj of the Lions Club International. And honesty with ourselves. With you, honesty, I am there, or honest or no, it doesn't make any difference. But if I am not honest with myself, I'll not be able to see in the mirror in the night or in the morning when I'm going in front of a mirror to see myself. Then we have to be honest. The 1 hour we have to give it this one. Swami Vivekananda has said rightly, "Swasth sharir mein hi swasth dimag ka nivas hota hai." If you are fit, your way of thinking will be totally different, my dear friends. I am at 68 years now. I play 2 hours volleyball every day. In the morning 6:30 to 8:30. I am staying on 7th floor. I never use the lift, 99%. I never go by the stair. I go by staircase only. So if you are keeping yourself a little bit fit and playing, because that sportsmanship mind will, your thoughts, your way of thinking, in all the angles of your business or your social life or your family life makes a difference a lot, my dear friends. We keep talking. Lions Club? Lions Club is now a political and all. My dear, politics is everywhere. And it's a democratic way. At your house, at your office, in your friends. Forget even in your brothers. There are politics. We have to face it. We are not supposed to complain about it. Let's face it and do it and move ahead with a positive attitude. I'm sure no one can stop you for this. We had to understand the silence of those people who never speak in front of us. Maybe whatever the reasons are. But being a leader, we had to understand with their body language what they are trying to convey to us. You are standing, you are talking, the way you are wearing the clothes, your clarity, your intention, your contents, what actually you are talking, people, they understand from there itself also. So once the people are coming and talking to you, as a leader, you're listening to them and trying to sort out, but the people who are not talking to you also, please understand their language and try to support them for this. Some people, as a leaders, need your directions. As a club president, as a RCZC, as a cabinet members, as a vice governor, as a governor, or as a past international directors, they are looking for some of the good direction from us and sincerity. To update ourselves, let's go on the lionsclub.org. Keep updating yourself every day. No need to call governor or council chairman or ID or PID. You can educate yourself on your own mobile nowadays. If someone asks you any questions, you must give the reply in such a way where they understand that my leader is fully updated and he has assisted me properly. That kind of the direction I'm talking about. Be a teacher till you die. Be a student till you die. Being a teacher, whatever you are gaining from this conference or from anywhere, please try to share it. In a childhood, our teacher used to tell us कि आप जितना भी शेयर करेंगे सामने वाला उतना एजुकेट होगा और आप भी और ज़्यादा सीखेंगे. And being a student, never say that I am a perfect man. I am always a student till I am dying. Keep learning from anywhere, even your, peon or your driver. And believe me, my dear friends, I have 2 daughters. One daughter got married when I was getting elected as an international director. And near about more than 5,000 people must be attended that marriage, including all the Bollywood and Telugu stars. But when second daughter got married, she has kept the condition with me, Papa, that I have a small request to you if you can hear me. I said, yes. She said, I would like to call on 100 people as per my choice. I said, okay. Unfortunately or fortunately, it was a COVID. So as it is, we cannot call a lot of people. She kept the one small meeting in our building's auditorium, and 100 people was there. And she said some of the things I would like to cook myself. And it was a surprise for us when we all family members went over there. I saw that my drivers, my staff, my watchmen, my sabjiwala, my gadiwala, all those kind of the people, she fed them. And she said, they are my guests over there. I was surprised that she is my daughter and she's trying to teach me and I learn. I said, yes, they are the people who are making our reputation, because हम लोग यहाँ पर हैं, our drivers are standing outside, our protocol officers are standing outside. They'll be keep talking, यार हमारे साथ तो बहुत rude है. Our sir is बहुत, talking very rudely, he's not polite. And other will say, no, he's very polite, he's very good and all. So through drivers, they create your image in this community. My dear friends, please take care of them, and especially those who are not able to speak out. I'm talking about I'm an animal lover. For those animal lovers, please take care of them also. And 2 small things I would like to convey to you. One is water bottle is there on your table. When you're getting up, if it is a half bottle, please carry with you. Don't waste. You know that what is the value of this water. And second, when you're going for the breakfast, lunch or dinner, take it 2, 3, 4 times. But take it whatever you can finish it. Don't put it in the dustbin. This is a 2 small thing also I just would like to request you. And we, Lions Club Mumbai Soul, every year celebrating Lions Gold Award. We try to recognize from Bollywood, Tollywood, OTT, journal category, and we try to adopt all those veer naris who sacrifice their husbands on the border. We give them 1 lakh rupees, their education, the marriage in the family, and we try to call them here and we give them. And that's from Amitabh Bachchan, or is a Priyanka Chopra, or is a Katrina Kaif, or anybody. I think so Agrawal sir has attended maybe the one of the award function. So this kind of the family we adopt. And this is the image building. I was surprised when AP called me up from Delhi. He said, Raju bhai, I'm surprised to see the image building of your Shraddha Kapoor has put the 100 hoardings at the Delhi airport, is putting with the Lions Gold Award with the Lions Trophy. Image building, creating fellowship, and through that you are to doing your services. That's one of the best things what you can do it. And my dear friends, I'm a very small person from the very small village. Came to Mumbai in a very different way. I struggled a lot in my life, sleeping on the railway stations and eating at the gurudwaras and masjid. And today, if I'm here on this platform as a chief guest in front of you, this 100% credit I give to the Lions Club International, because when I became a member of this Lions Club International, even I used to sit on the last row from the very poor family, but when I never used to get the food and get a one or two days hungry. And one day my person has took me to the 5-star hotel to have a Lions Club food. And honestly, Nina ji, I became a Lion member because of that food, कि 5-star hotel में ऐसा खाना मिलता है. भूख क्या होती है, that I came to know. And उस लालच के अंदर, I became a Lion member. And from there to here, how I reached, how I developed my networking, how I developed my contacts, how I developed my business. I left my police job. I started my own business. I never thought of it. The person who never used to travel by the bus or train without ticket, Today I have a best car in my life and I'm staying next to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan's house. This is the banner, what I'm talking about, where I'm standing. So be sincere about this. You will really enjoy a lot. My dear friends, today is Women's Day. On behalf of all you beautiful ladies sitting over here, I would like to recognize the one woman representing you all as our second VDG, Nina ji. So, you know who are these ladies are? The best MBA. Before marriage, पराया धन. After marriage, पराया घर से आई हैं. Get up early morning, taking care of the husband, kids, food, home, business, ourselves, yourself. Even she'll be ill, she will never take a rest. She will still give the food to the husband and kids. If we will get a little bit unwell and all these things, we would like to take a rest from the home and all. But they will never. If our government of India give them one more permission, that even after the marriage, if they can take their parents with them, I think so not a single old age home will be there in India. They are the ladies and dedicated to the ladies. I would like to request Gajendra Singh ji, my mentor, my person, and Agrawal sahab, whatever, Gajendra Singh ji, these 4 international president pin who are deserving it, 4%, you have to announce and give them a place to them. And thank you very much, my dear friends, for giving this opportunity. Exactly 15 minutes. Thank you so much for this. Thank you.
Be a teacher till you die. Be a student till you die. हमें हमारे चीफ गेस्ट ने सिखाया, जितना आप सिखाएंगे उतना ही आप सीखेंगे. Thank you so much, sir, for your words, for enlightening us with your kind and informative words. It has so much teachings that we needed. Sure, we will implement these teachings, these guidelines in future, and surely we can retain our Lion members in our district. Thank you so much. A big round of applause for our chief guest, past international director. Thank you so much. Thank you.
As tomorrow I will not be there, and your governor will be elected, so this I would like to dedicate to him.
May I now request Lion Dr. Littoy to please carry a small token of love, a memento to District Governor, and hand it over to the Chief Guest. Sir Sagul Kangzei, the Manipuri polo is one of the world's oldest sports, with some historians claiming it is the first played in the state of Manipur, India. It is a traditional Meitei form of polo and the ancestor of the modern game. Thank you, sir. Okay. Now let me take the opportunity to read out the names of the recipients of the Peace Poster Contest 2024-2025. In the first consolations, please be on stage. Namarapam Suraj Singh, sponsored by Lions Club of Ningthau Kong. Next, we have Eureka Ahong Sangbam, sponsored by Lions Club of Imphal Greater. Next, Fidam Sinam, they sponsored by Lions Club of Imphal Golden Pride. We have Santanu Podar, sponsored by Lions Club of Nagaon City. Nongmai Them Koru Nganba, sponsored by Lions Club Imphal East. And the last consolation prize winner, Sanahan Oinam, sponsored by Lions Club of Imphal Leimarol. If the students are absent in the house, may I call the president or the secretary of the club to please present and receive, the sponsor club to please present and receive on behalf of the students. And also requested the district chairperson, please poster L. Joy Tombi. Any members from Lions Club of Ningthokong, on behalf of Nayapam Suras, any member for Imphal Greater, on behalf of Eureka Ahong Sangbam, any member from the Imphal Golden Pride, Fidam Sinam, from Nagaon City, on behalf of Santanu Podar, from Imphal East, Nongmai Them Koru Nganba, and Leimarol Sanahan Oinam. For Imphal Greater, on behalf, may I now invite L. Upendra Sharma to take on behalf of Eureka Ahong Sangbam.
This is consolation number 3, Santanu Podar, sponsored by Lions Club of Nagaon City. Nangmai Rakpam Suraj Singh, sponsored by Lions Club of Ningthokong. Next, please be ready. Eureka Ahong Sangbam, Lions Club of Imphal Greater. Lions Club of Imphal Greater, Eureka Ahong Sangbam. Please be ready. Fidam Sinam, sponsored by Lions Club of Imphal Golden Pride. Fidam Sinam, sponsored by Lions Club of Imphal Golden Pride. Next we have Sanahan Oinam, sponsored by Lions Club of Imphal Leimarol. The first consolation prize winner. Nongmai Them Korong Nganba, sponsored by Lions Club of Imphal East. This is Korong Nganba, Imphal East. He is Nongmai Them Korong Nganba, sponsored by Lions Club of Imphal East. Second consolation prize winner. We have Sanahan Oinam of Pritambara English School. Fidam Sinam, anyone representing Imphal Golden Pride. Okay.
And for the winner of the Peace Poster Contest of the District 322D, MENA is the Brikama Lorembam, sponsored by Lions Club of Imphal Global. Please give a big round of applause for the team Imphal Global. On behalf of Brikama Lorembam, may I now invite Lion Dilip Konjengbam, the President of Lions Club Imphal Global, to please come forward, and Bikrama Lakra. Bikrama is there? Okay, Bikrama is present. Please give a big round of applause for the winner, Bikrama Lorembam.
Brikama Lorembam, as well as the President of Lions Club of Imphal Global. He is the winner of the Peace Poster Contest for the District 322D. For the Karma Yogi Award, to give a brief history and profile of the awardee, may I request Lion PDG, Lion Professor W. Kopimon Singh.
Namaste. A very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. Respected Presiding Officer, District Governor T.S. Kitso Singh, most esteemed chief guests of the function. Sri PID Land Raju B. Manmaniji, and land dignitaries on the dais and of that dais and fellow Lions. Let me present a very, very brief history of Karma Yogi Award, followed by the biodata of the awardee. The Karma Yogi Award of the Lions International District 322D was instituted by our district Fund Foundation in the year 1999 and 2000 to recognize a non-lion social worker who has been working relentlessly for the welfare of mankind, especially in the fields of social, culture, literature, and environment, etc. The award is given to an Indian citizen who is within the Indian boundary of our lands, District 322D, and who is not less than 40 years of age on the 1st of February every year. He or she must be nominated by a Lions Club for the award. And good news is that some of the Karmajogi awardees have received the Padma Shri award from the government of India in the past. The award carries a plaque, shawl, and a cash amount of rupees 51,000 in the form of a demand draft, and a citation and a memento is also presented to the awardee. And this year, the Karmajogi Award Committee consists of the following jury members. Number PDG, Professor W. Gopiman, myself as chairperson of the committee. PDG Lion BK Mangalonia, member. Lion PDG Dr. Praveen Agarwal as a member. Lion PDG Lalita R. Khadria as a member. And PDG Lion Dr. Ima Sharma Barua as a member. Now, about the biodata of the awardee of this year, Lanistic year 2024 and 25. This was a brief report with biodata. Ms. Mayangbam Chanu Rita was born on the 1st of January 1959 at Sagar Road, Thodababo, Imphal, West. She is the daughter of Sri Mayangbam Damodar Singh and Srimati Mayangbam Ongbi Siladevi. She is an arts graduate and is very much proficient in embroidery and hand stitching. She started dedicating her life for the cause of women and children belonging to both the hill and valley areas of Manipur in 1980. Ms. Rita is the founder, president of the iCON in 1990, which focused on the social upliftment of women and children. Currently, she is also the president of the Meitei Lemurol Senai Sangh, a non-profit women's voluntary body formed in the year 1993. This body is running the Poirei Nawakon Children Home for girls at San Bigai, Imphal is providing care to 34 to 40 girls. Since 1980, MC Rita is also continuously working against drug, alcohol, and other substance uses, which have a direct impact on women and children. She is working in close coordination with Mairabai groups, that is the women torch bearers of Manipur, in the state, and various women organizations in both hill and valley areas. Through our organization, Ms. Rita has extended assistance to many sections of the society during the crucial moments. Notable among them are she worked against misuse of intoxicants, giving special concern to illicit alcohol and domestic violence. She also organized health promotion programs in the very backward ancient hills of Meitei village of Kwata, that is near the Myanmar border, giving special concern to the malaria, tuberculosis, and other health issues. She helped to the people who are suffering from mudslide victims in Bongul, Kangpoki in 2004. She also organized camp for female inmates of the Manipur Central Jail in coordination with the Central SP, Central Jail, in 2017. She is giving support to people living with HIV during COVID-19 pandemic. And she also extended support to the high-risk females during the period of COVID-19 crisis. Provided support to displaced persons connection with this present crisis, to the ethnic groups and other social issues are there. So, Ms. Rita received the Best NGO Award for 2011 and 2012 and 2013 and 2014 for outstanding service to control HIV and AIDS. conferred by Manipur State Arts Control Society in Nako. She received these awards from the hand of the then Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri Okram Ibobi Singh. Another is our Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri Gurbachan Jagat, visited. He paid a special visit to the handloom and handicraft store of the Meitei Lemurol Sinai Sangh in connection with World AIDS Day in 2012. So, in recognition of our tireless effort in the dedication and selfless service for the betterment of disadvantaged section of the society, especially women and girls child, Lions Club International District 322D, Karmajogi Award Committee has awarded this Karmajogi Award for the year 2025 to Ms. Mayangam Chanu Rita. Please come to the. These are some of the photos he is receiving from the Chief Minister of Manipur.
Please give a big round of applause for a very dedicated, committed Madam Rita. It's a great honor and privilege to have her in this auspicious day of the 46th Annual District Conference. She has given her whole life services for the children. She runs a beautiful home in the name Poirai Nawakol, located in the Achan Bigay. And we are also very privileged that Lions Club Imphal Greater have conducted 2 projects in this year at this beautiful children's home of the Poirai Nawakol. In presence, she has a beautiful 35 small children looking after.
Ngasi International Lions Club International na ngasi engonda sugumba Karmajogi Award ama engonda pibiba ai thoido hendonga nungai jai aina tawjarakpa thabak mayam sing adu mahiyale hena khanjai mikup sida ai nungai bagi panghai adu ai sini hena phongdok sanabagi ai gi wahai leijre haijabada aduna masigumba award asina aibu tungda hena mangomda sakhatpa nupi amadi angang singgidamakta aina tawjaraliba thabak sing aduda inot amadi thauna hapibo oina lojaraga ai tungda su hena thabak tawba ngamjaba amadi oijage amadi Lions Club International hena sangna kuina thabak tawba ngamba oibiu haibo famjimai thamjari ngasi Lions Club na ingoda thauna hapiba tedo hendong nai nungai jai amadi punong apu ai kai khunna bosaraga member sung kai khunna bosaraga yo tanga sida am kana thaga sarga tension jage
Mayam puna magna akhoi Madam Rita bu amtang hagut piraga mayam bu amtang applause to piraga mahaki samajta nupi macha sing lama palijada basingda mana suksangna contribution tawgi damakta Lions Club International ki loina na simabu sang tung sangna mayam ki seba toba ngambiu haina iswada pratna ga kacharaga tanja sida khuna aloi bilokjare. Thank you.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, next we have the charter presentation. So there is the club that is a Dimapur champion, which is sponsored by the Lions Club of Dimapur Blue Banda and co-sponsored by Lions Club of Dimapur and Lions Club of Jofo. So I'd like to request our district governor to
Yeah.
take care of the distribution of the charter certificate to the new president, the first vice president, second vice president, and the treasurer.
Okay.
The president is
Wait. Let us first invite the extension chairperson of this new club, Lion Dr. Nina Datta, Vice District Governor 2, and Lion Sumita Sarma, Lions Club of Dimapur, Blue Venda. The rest, the president of the co-sponsor of Dimapur and Dimapur Jafu, Pawan Maheshwari, if he is there, please come. Lion Club of Dimapur Jafu, please come. I invite Mary Benny A. Setri, who is the guiding lion, to please come also. These are the 4 lion officers of the club. Tutun Ghosh, the president. Rajat Ghosh, the second Rajat Ghosh, the first vice president. Kuhoju K. Yeptomi, second vice president. Then Avinash Jaiswal, he is the treasurer. They have come all along from Dimapur today morning, and they will be leaving Imphal by the next flight at 3 o'clock. So these are the land members, charter members from Dimapur. No, Lore?
The newly chartered club, Lions Club of Dimapur Champion, is sponsored by Lions Club of Dimapur Blue Venda and co-sponsored by Lions Club of Jafu. So, the president, we have Lion Viraj Ghosh, the first vice president, Lion Rajat Ghosh, second vice president, Lion KK Yeptomi, and the treasurer, Lions Avinash Jaiswal. We are thankful and welcoming the new club, Lions Club of Dimapur Champion, in the form of Lionism.
With the permission of the presiding officer, I want to name the board members. Virat Ghosh, President. Rajat Ghosh, First Vice President. K. Yeptomi, Second Vice President. Savani Gaur Club Administratives. Sedivile Angami, Secretary. Avinash Jaiswal, Treasurer. Amrit Chanda, Club Membership Chairperson. Amit Majumdar, Club Service Chairperson. Abhay Jaiswal, Club Marketing Communication. Devasis Devnath, Director. then Ritik Yadav, tail twister, Rohit Datta, lion tamer, and Tanushree Chakrabarti, LCF coordinator.
For the presentation of congratulations.
Okay. We will quickly have the presentation of Leadership Medal and Presidential Medal to Lion K.H.H. Ibotombi Singh, Cabinet Secretary, the Leadership Medal. I invite the Cabinet Secretary K.H.H. Ibotombi Singh to receive the Leadership Medal. Next, I invite Lion N. Birendra Singh of the Lions Club of Kanchipur. Please come up. He is receiving the International President's Medal. Okay. Okay. Now let me invite past District Governor Bijay Agrawal to receive the Key Award, Key of Nations Award. B.K. Agrawal, past District Governor. Please. I invite Dr. N. Rami Singh to please come and receive the one-star commandant plaque. I also invite Lalita R. Khadaria. Rami. Lalita R. Khadaria for the one-star commandant plaque. Now Umakanta, please, LCF coordinator. This is the MGF contributors felicitation.
Thank you, Conference Chairperson, PDG M. Gojendra Singh. At the time of the installation of our present cabinet, there was a place by 49 members from our great district to become PMGF and MGF. And today, on this day, 35 has completed that place. So I would like to call out the names of those great lions who have completed that place so we can honor and felicitate them. Starting with the very district governor himself, Lion T.H. Keshav Singh. Sir, please come up. Lion Dr. W. Gopi Mohan Singh, Lion L. Joytimpi Singh. Please come to the dais. As I read out the names, please come forward to the dais. We would like to felicitate these great lions. Lion K. Manoranjan Singh from Imphal City. Lion K.I. Suniti Devi, Imphal Limerol, PMJF. Lion Dr. T. Bilasini Devi, Imphal Lemarol, Lion Khetrimayum Kamala Devi, Imphal Lemarol, Lion W. Bhumeshwar Singh, Kanchipur, Lion Anand Sapam, Imphal Excellence, Lion Amit Kapoor, Drivugar, Lion Oinam Jugeshwar Singh, Thaubal, Lion Lalit Kothari, Nagaon Greater, Lion L. Sanatombi Devi, Thawal Greater, Lion M. Lokendra Singh, Kanchipur. These are for the PMJFs. I continue with the MJFs. Lion L. Nipendra Kumar Singh, Imphal City. Sir, please come forward. Lion O. Dhanabir Singh, Imphal City. Lion I. Ranbir Singh, Kanchipur Greater. Lion S. Bijoy Singh, Imphal Southeastern. Lion Dr. T.S. Arun Singh, Imphal City. Lion S. Sanayan B. Devi, Imphal Lemarol. Lion Dr. Runuma Sarma, Dibrugarh. Lion Dr. Sanjeev Singh Pagazam, Imphal Central. Dr. O. Ibeton Devi, Thawal Greater Centurion. Dr. Mirinalindi Konjembam, Imphal Excellence. Sumita Roy, Lido Valley. Kumar Soppan Prajapati, Tinsukia. Dr. Lumthing Riba, Imphal Excellence. Ilangbam Meghapati Devi, Imphal Chanura. K. Krishna Kumar Singh, Nithokong. Oinam Jivan Chandra, Imphal Central. Ajit Barwa, Digboy. Dhanpat Singh Surana, Jorhat. Krishna Mohan Singh, Kaching Sugunu. Nongtongbam Raghumani, Imphal North. And Dr. Monica Thoksom, Imphal Golden Pride. We would like to felicitate the PMJ first. Sir, I request Lion Sanatombi and Lion Memalani Devi to kindly assist me, starting with Dr. Kesho Singh, Lion Kesho Singh for the PMJF2. Then W. Kopimon Singh, again PMJF2. L. Joytombi Singh, Imphal City, PMJF1. K. Manoranjan Singh, PMJF1. Ketrimayum Sunti Devi, Imphal Lemarol, PMJF1. Bilasini Devi, Imphal Lemarol, PMJF1. Kamala Devi, Imphal Lemarol, PMJF1. Bhumeshwar, Kanchipur, PMJF1. Anand Sapam, Imphal Excellence, PMJF1. Amit Kapoor, Drivugar, PMJF1. Oinam Jugeshwar Singh, Thawal, PMJF1. Lalit Kumar Kothari, Nagaon Greater, PMJF1. L. Sanatombi Devi, Thawal Greater, PMJF1. M. Lokendra Singh, Kanchipur, PMJF1. These are the PMJFs. And then we can continue with the MJFs. Please felicitate all the MJFs also.
हम $5,000 in the next total हम देगा.
Sure.
ठीक है?
$5,000.
$5,000 part by part.
ठीक है. Sure. I would like to request Mr. Tejinder Bamra, if he is here, please come to the dais. Mr. Tejinder Bamra, my coordinator too. Thank you so much, Great Lions. We expect the remaining who have made the place to complete their donation by this quarter. Thank you so much.
Governor, sir, we will now go forward with the DZ medals who have contributed membership. We have first 5 clubs who have been judged for the DZ medal. Dulajan, they have sponsored 22 members. Then Lions Club of Imphal City, they have sponsored 15 members. Lions Club of Imphal Valley, they have sponsored 13 members. Lions Club of Kanchipur, they have sponsored 10 members. So for this, we have their president, secretary, treasurer, and the membership chairperson for Dulajan to get the DZ medals. Then president, secretary, treasurer, and the service chairperson for the Lions Club of Imphal City. Then Lions Club of Imphal Valley, the President, Secretary and Treasurer, Joy Kumar, Jaypal, Hemant Kumar Jain. Then Lions Club of Limerol, President, Secretary and Treasurer, Suniti, Sanayambi and Sarolata. Kanchipur, Lions Rajan, President, Sarat Thengujam, Nando Thanozam. Please come on stage to receive the gold. Oh, okay. Dr. Konsam Gopal, Membership Chairperson. Please come on stage to receive the DZ medal, please. Dulejan, anybody there? Dulejan? Okay. Now Imphal City. Imphal City President, Secretary, Treasurer and the Membership Chairperson. Anybody there? President, please come. Here I know. Ha. Okay. So, medal di. Yes, yes. Please wait for it. Medal di. Nita Agrawal, DC, come. Lions Quest. And no, peace poster is coming. Sir. Okay, nung kawali mari. Mga taruk. Lintoy Ningombam. Help for her.
Of course, yes, ma'am.
For Joy Tumbi. DC peace poster. Something like that. Lintoy. Arun Tongam. DCIT. District Directory also. And Gopal Das, Environment DC. Gopal Das. Yelangbam James. Yelangbam James, Dr. James. Dr. T. Bilasani. Dr. Dr. T. Bilasani, Laimerol, please come. Very senior. This is the charter president of the only Ladies Lions Club, the first Ladies Lions Club. No, of Manipur. After the Lions movement come in, she is the first. Then so many ladies came in. Please come, madam. Oh, Gopalda. He is the man of environment. A gynecologist. I think this is all.
This one is left.
All two left. All right. Almost both of things that. think everything is over, so we can come to the vote of thanks. Huh? Okay, Wali. 12:30 now. I think enough time? Huh? Ma na kari do no? Ma kari gino ba? Ma isang tang ko lagi sa hotel ba? Ko lagi ma hining ba libra ba? I told you. May I now invite past Council Chairperson 322 Land MP Agrawal, sir. Is he there? May I invite past Council Chairperson 322 Land MP Agrawal to come on stage Please come. So your floor is yours. Have your time.
District Governor Keso Singh, Chief Guest of today's function, my good friend Raju. My dear friends of 322D, my own district, wherefrom I got the governorship from 322D. Multiple council chairmen also I was, D was behind me at the time I was the member of 322D. Today I came here just to meet my friends from 322D, because for long I could not meet them. Coming to 322D is always homecoming, especially Manipur. When I was the zone chairperson, at that time Manipur had only one club, that is Dance Club of Imphal. And Manikumar Singh was the president of that club that time. During my time, lots of clubs were there. During my wife's time also, lot of clubs were born in Manipur, and she was the last governor of 322D, now G and D. So friends, my good friend Raju is here present today, and he spoke about time management, everything. And every time he speaks all these things, some different chapters he speaks, but always his speech touched me. So friends, I will not speak much today. The time is not there. I just given a chance to speak over here to say greetings to all of you. With these words, I thank our conference chairman, Gajendra, and my dear friends. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the vote of thanks. So I'd like to request the Cabinet Secretary of District 322D Lions Club International, Lion K.H. Ibotubmi Singh, to propose the vote of thanks.
Respected Presiding Officer, District Governor, more respected Chief Guest, past International Director, Lion Raju B. Marwani, Lion Dignity on and of the Dice, and more respected PDGs, cabinet members, and Lions members from our district cities and others. First, I thank Lion Raju B. Marwani, Chief Guest, inaugurator of this our 46th annual district conference, progressing the function and enlightening our 46th annual district conference iCON 2025, and your valuable speech, which have enlightened the Lions present in this function. Thank you, sir. Secondly, we would like to thank DG Keso Singh, District Governor, and Vice District Governor 1, Vice DG 2 for their participation and valuable speech and support to the district goal and activities to be taken out. I also thanks especially to Lion MP1, PDG, Vice District Governor of 322 D. Now he's going to the G. I would like thanks for your participation and to vocation function. Second, I would like thanks all the past DGs, our asset of the district, who have all the time support, who have played significant role in shaping the district and also in bringing the district in great height and guiding the DG team in learning the district. And next, I thank all the cabinet members for timely presence and taking their responsibility. And I thank also new charter club, Lions Club, Dimapur champion, and President. President and his team to come up here for charter presentation. Next, last but not least, my thanks also go to the host club president and the entire team for their hard effort for organizing this event in a good manner and a successful one. Finally, my thanks go to the city convention Palace Compound for providing the venue and making the program successful. And I miss to thank to the press and the print media for their presence and electing our service activity to the community whenever we need. Finally, my thank goes to the city, thank goes to the all dear Lions. Thank you for your participation and support. Thank you. Long live Lionism, long live District 322D. Thank you.
Thank you. That was the Cabinet Secretary of the District 322D. Dear Chief Guest, sir, we have 15 stalls and exhibit the photo exhibition for the District 322D. The stall includes the different varieties of items, including the handloom and handicraft and other household items specially made by the internally displaced peoples in the racial conflict of the Manipur. And we request the sir to please kindly pay a visit to the stalls before sir departs from here. Now, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And now please raise everyone from the seat for the national anthem. I request my friend Lion Kosigan to please do the honor for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. I request our district governor to kindly adjourn the first session meeting, sir. Thank you. I request all the guest members to kindly accompany our chief guest to the exhibition hall, and the chairperson of the photo exhibition committee, Lion past district governor Praveen Agarwal, to please kindly accompany the chief guest, sir, to the exhibition stall. Thank you. And we are very happy to share that we are 20 minutes ahead of our scheduled time, and it's happening. It's the first time in the district that we are ahead of the time, and I request everyone to join exactly for the second plenary session at 2 o'clock. Thank you. Now please proceed for the lunch.